garden seeds at Home Depot. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so today I'm here at Home Depot and they have a lot of seeds out already. If you're thinking of gardening this year and you want to save a lot of money on gardening, you want to start your garden from seeds like this. You can get seeds like this right now and start your seeds either indoors or start the seeds as soon as you can put them outside and cover them in containers or in a greenhouse. So you can start the seeds now, especially if you're gonna grow things that take a long time like pepper. You want to start them now so that way by spring at least you get good seedlings that you can transplant into the garden or into your containers. So as you can see here, they have a huge selection of herbs, vegetables, flowers over here. So definitely take a look at your local stores and see if you can find it what you need. And the best time to get seeds is as early as possible, because right now at the beginning of the season, when all the seeds come out, you have a good selection, you have a much better selection. As soon as people start buying them, you start losing that ability to get exactly what you want. So if you're thinking of getting seeds, get them soon enough so that way you have the seeds that you need and you don't have to worry about that. Also, there are other venues where you can get seeds. You can check other stores like Lowe's and Walmart that sell seeds, or you can check online Amazon and other stores. I'll see if I can put a link to some other areas that you can get. There's a couple of other key seed sellers that I'll see if I can put their links in the description, where you can also get the seeds directly from the seeds sellers. So that way you can you get a much bigger selection there too, and you're able to get some of the seeds that you want online as soon as you want it. So over here, as you can see, they have some different vegetables. Their prices it range. Some organic ones are more expensive than the regular ones. That all depends on what type of seeds you're looking for or what you want to do. But they have a huge selection of flower seeds, herbs. You have tomatoes down here. You have watermelon. You have cantaloupe. You have green beans. You have peas, carrots, and a lot of different other seeds, beets over there. So you can definitely take a look at and see what they have, and you might be able to get your seeds, and then you can start your seeds indoors and then transplant them outside. I have a couple of videos that shows you how to start your seeds indoors, how to if you don't have a greenhouse or if you don't have a grow tent. I have a couple of videos that shows you how you can easily use plastic to make your indoor greenhouse or outdoor greenhouse with shelves, and then you start your seeds. That way it saves you a lot of money instead of buying what you spend on a pack of seeds. Buying seedlings with it will only give you maybe one or two seedlings. So definitely a lot of savings if you're starting your gardening with seeds like these. Another way of saving money is you save your seeds at the end of the growing season. Most often, I'll say 95% of the time, all my seeds are what I saved from the previous year. Usually I come to the store to see look for some seeds that I don't have, or look for a different variety that I might not know about. So but if you can save your seeds, it's even cheaper. You don't have to worry about buying seeds, and you get good quality seeds that's also used to the growing area where you're gonna be planting. So if you're growing particular crops and they're doing well, you get seeds from those crops in that area. It's gonna do much better, and that way you're not bringing in any extra variety of seeds or variety of seedlings or seeds from different suppliers or different areas. So over here they have cucumbers and they have some different things. If you like the videos and you like some of these videos that I've been putting up, please smash the like button. That helps the channel. and it also helps YouTube show the video to other people that might like the video. So if you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out a lot. And if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll try to answer as many of them as possible. I know it's a busy time right now, but definitely if you have any questions, I will definitely try to help you out, answer as many questions as possible. So over here you have some flowers, different variety of flowers. Same thing, if you want to plant, you intend to plant flowers, you can start your seeds indoors and then transplant them outside once the temperature, once there's no longer sign of freeze or frost. Then you can plant them outside, and you'll be able to at least get a good head start on your flowers or your vegetables. So over here, these are different variety of organic vegetables seeds right here. So like I said, they have different prices and different varieties. There are like 3 or 4 different suppliers. Some you have Burpees, you have this one is USDA organic. There is Fairy Mars, and I think there's Back to Roots is another one. So over here they have seed starting supplies. I was talking about seed starting. Over here they have seed starting supplies. So if you're starting seeds, you need heat mat like this. It helps the seeds germinate faster. If you're growing indoors, you need grow lights like that. And if you also starting your seeds indoors, you might use some of these containers over here, or you can recycle and use other plastic containers or plastic things that you can recycle, like yogurts and other cups and solo cups. I have a couple of videos that shows you how you can recycle your plastics to start seeds. Check out my playlist on seed starting. You see a lot of those different options on how you can save money and use recycle gallon jugs and other cups and yogurt containers to start your seeds, instead of buying containers or seed starting containers like this. But if you like to buy containers like this and you want to you're used to getting them like that, that's fine. Down here they have seed starting mix. This seed starting mix is good. You just want to make sure that you don't get you don't use regular soil to start your seeds. You need light fluffy mix. So here is a seed starting mix. If you I have a video that shows you how to start your seeds, how to make your own seed starting mix. Check the link below. And I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.